In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in Adobe Illustrator. Copying and pasting objects in Illustrator is simple and can be done in multiple ways. The first and easiest method is to select the item you want to copy, hold Alt on your keyboard, and then drag the item anywhere on the screen. This will create a copy of the object, and you can repeat this as many times as you want. Another way to copy and paste is by using the right-click menu. Select the object you want to copy, right-click on it and choose Copy. Then, right-click anywhere on your artboard and select Paste to place the copied object. You can also use the default keyboard shortcuts. Select the object you want to copy, press Ctrl and C to copy it, and then press Ctrl and V to paste it. This method is quick and works across different files and documents. If you need to create multiple copies of an object in a short amount of time, you can use the duplicate function. First, create a copy using the Alt and Drag method. Once the first copy is created, press Ctrl and D to repeat the last transformation and create additional copies in the same order and distance. This is especially useful when you need to create patterns or repeated elements quickly.